No, I mean, like, what kind of beat? Are you used to, like the loudest beat that, like, your boy has 415s, you know, someone with 615s, something like that? I mean, what's the loudest that you're used to?
Tim's car I've heard before, that's probably the loudest. I have one 15 DD.
Okay, so you're used to beat.
Yeah.
This ain't your first day with beat.
No.
Okay, good. All right. Well, it's not a wall, so it's not gonna like do you like some of those walls will. No wall, so. But hopefully you'll still like it. So hopefully it'll be worth you stopping.
This shit for either flashback or just made out of war. I know this, I'm trying to pull myself.
Yeah, that was good. Definitely. Oh shit. Man, you got everybody on that Tahoe.
Hey, they make a lot of noise.
Fuck with me.
I seriously got to stop. I'm going to get busted. All right, man. I know that was a very short demo. During the week is a little rough because I get the cops called and shit. But what do you think? Is that any good or what?
Oh, yeah.
Is it worth the stop?
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
Good shit, guys. All right, man. We're heading back in. Have a good one.